How to log into Amazon Shopping app. Want to log back in? This guide shows how to log into Amazon Shopping app so you can get back to your shopping. First, open the Amazon Shopping app. You'll see a few options. Like sign in or create account. Tap on sign in. You'll need to enter your email address or phone number and the password. If you've forgotten your password, you can tap on the forget password link to reset it. Once you've entered your credentials, tap on sign in. If you have a Face ID or Touch ID enabled on your iPhone, you can also use it to log in. This is a very convenient and secure way to log into your account. You can enable this feature in the app settings. You now know how to log into Amazon Shopping app. Get ready to get back to your shopping. Like and subscribe for more app tips.